Hey guys, welcome to Astronauts. Today I'll be painting the same atom landscape with gouache. I painted this with acrylics 3 years back, so I wanted to see how much my art improved over the years and curious to check that changing the medium will change the art style or not. If you are using this gouache set, make sure you use the Hime antibacterial spray or else there will be the mold growth if you live in the environment where humidity is high. This spray also preserves gouache moistureness and reactivate dried gouache as well. So let's get into the topic. Which medium is better, gouache or acrylics? Each has its own pros and cons. I will explain it elaborately. One of the main reasons why gouache is loved by many artists all over the world is that you can blend easily with gouache even if you are a beginner. But with acrylics, it was difficult to blend. Acrylics need good quality brush, paper, and paint to achieve the seamless blending and hours and hours of practice too. Gouache dries slower compared to acrylics. Even if it's completely dried, you can reactivate gouache with water. If acrylic paint dried completely, you cannot reactivate it and lots of paint get wasted too. So if you use acrylics a lot, make sure you close the lid after taking out the enough paints from the tube. Acrylic paintings give a shiny look while gouache painting have a matte finish. Some artists prefer shiny look and some prefers matte look. So based on the type of finish you want, you can choose the medium. If you use gouache in tube set, you won't have any problems. But with cup set like the one I'm using in this video, there are high chances of mold growth if it's not maintained properly. But with acrylics, you won't face any issues of mold growth. You can paint with acrylics on different surfaces like canvas, paper, glass, wood, even random objects. It can be protected with varnish. Gouache works best on paper. You can also paint on canvas and wood, but you can't paint on glass or any other shiny surfaces because it cannot be protected with varnish. Since gouache can be reactivated with water, you can clean your brush and paint palette easily, but make sure the water doesn't come in contact with the finished painting. If water accidentally reaches the painting, the paint will be washed away and it will completely ruin the painting if it is not varnished. But with acrylics, you don't have to worry about it. Even if you not varnish the painting, water can't damage it. What you need to worry about is, it was difficult to clean the brush after using acrylics. If you forget to clean the brush will be dried with paint and become stiff. You can't clean it ever. So make sure after each acrylic painting session, don't forget to clean your brushes. Gouache is costlier than acrylics but lasts longer. Acrylic paint cost starts from 200 rupees but gouache price starts from 550 rupees. So which medium is better? It totally based on you guys. You have to choose what works best for you and what you are comfortable with. From my experience, if you are a beginner and want to learn about paintings and stuff, I prefer gouache. But if you are a intermediate or professional artist, you can work with either of this. It's based on your choice. At the end of the video, I will show you the comparison of both gouache and acrylic paintings. Which side do you like better? Let me know in the comments. I can see a lot of improvement in my art and art style. In the acrylic painting, I didn't paint the details of the trees. It lacks depth and harmony in the painting. But the gouache side, the trees and leaves looks more semi-realistic and well detailed. It looked more complete to me and I can feel the vibe of the autumn forest. That's it guys. Thanks for watching till the end. See you soon in the next video. Until then, bye bye. If you have any video recommendation, let me know in the comments as well.